Tired of feeling like Microsoft is breathing down your neck every time you turn on your computer? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to bypass the Microsoft account requirement during Windows 11 setup and create a local account instead, giving you back control of your privacy. The first trick involves disconnecting your computer from the internet during the setup process. When Windows prompts you to log in with a Microsoft account, simply unplug your Ethernet cable or disconnect from your Wi-Fi network. Windows will realize it can't connect to the internet, and after a moment, it will give you the option to create a local account. It might show a "something went wrong" error, but just click try again until you are prompted with a local account creation. Now you can enter your desired username and password. You'll be asked to answer security questions, so make sure to choose something you can easily remember. Congratulations, you've successfully bypassed the Microsoft account requirement and created a local account. Another method requires using a fake Microsoft account. When you get to the Microsoft account login, enter a bogus email and password combination. The system will then give you an option for a local account. Remember, using a local account can give you more control over your data. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.